Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's VeChain update for Saturday, 29 January. And do not be excited just yet because you're looking at some nice green candles. No, don't get any time. I'm not gonna allow you to get excited anytime soon. Okay. Now the reason being is, first of all, okay, I want to bring this yellow line a little bit down here, and we've already seen that there's a level of support that was actually lost, and you're just going back to backtest that level of support. Okay, so here the yellow line is, and I'm going to actually study this one with you very quickly. So this was your last swing high. You had one touch here, one touch nearly there, and then you had one touch of this wick right there, and then you had this touch right here. So what happened is, you went on and lost this yellow line. Okay, look, you lost the yellow line, which was acting as a particular support, and ever since then you've been consolidating on the sideways. You went up. Okay, as soon as you went up, look where you got rejected. This 10 EMA is restricting the prices to actually go to the upside. Okay, so you are going back to backtest this yellow line potentially and getting rejected at the 10 EMA as well. So I'm not really excited. I don't know why people are saying that, oh, we saw the green candles and now it's okay to buy. No, it's not okay to buy. As a matter of fact, I'm on the daily here, and look, on the daily we are making this some sort of spinning top. Who knows, tomorrow you start dumping to the downside, and then you make an evening star, and then you continue to roll over to the downside. So the best candidate at this point that I'm talking about with you is still the downtrend, and I've been favoring the downtrend for the past few weeks, ever since you started to lose some levels up here, which was the 64 and something like that. As a matter of fact, ever since you lost this yellow line, do you see this yellow line right here, and then you push to the downside. This is where I was telling people at the 70s that I'm actually now gonna have to flip bearish, and I was left with no any choice other than to just flip bearish. Okay, and here we are. So we still are by 22% down or 23% down ever since I gave this call. Now I do think that we are still not over with the downfall. The downtrend is still intact, and I'm expecting this one to actually go all the way down. Now, I'm still going to actually, try to find some more clues and some more potential, you know, level of support as well. So here we are. I'm going to take this top, which was 29 cents, to this swing low of the wave 2 right there. And I'm expecting 0.382 to be your level of big support, which is going to be this price level right here. Do you see that? But there's something tells me that this could be your level of next buying area, which is going to be the 0.019. But that's gonna be actually bad. Okay, that's gonna be really bad, because you're gonna go below the first wave, which we do not want to see. Then that's gonna be bad. You're gonna invalidate this elliott wave theory. It's safe to actually say that 0.033 is the best place that you can actually see VeChain go, find support at this place, and then continue to the upside. Now you can already see that on the fibs as well. This is why trading is amazing, and I've al- I'm already noticing that you just went to the zero point 0.5 and you're holding the zero point 0.5 at this point. But I still do not think that this zero point 0.5 level is going to be held. The reasons for this one is because you are still not making some structures to actually continue to the upside. For example, there are no buyers stepping in to push the price to go to the upside as well. So there are more sellers than buyers at this point, and I'm still skeptical of Bitcoin going to $29,000 as well. $29,000 is a technical target that Bitcoin didn't reach. So that is shady, and that is actually not good at all. Whenever you see technical targets not being met, and then they start to make some dead cat bounce, and then they go to the upside, that's a big red warning that something is bad. In my opinion, what it does, Bitcoin, what it does is it just goes up, build trust, make some green candles, build trust in new investors and retail investors, and then try to suck them in. And then when they see that, okay, it's at $37,000 now and it's green now, they enter just to be drowned in the next coming few days. And that's potentially what I'm looking at. And of course, VeChain is going to follow Bitcoin as well. Now, every single coin was good. Every single coin had a good structure. Even right now, 0.5 is being held. Then why am I saying that it's still going to go down? it's because of Bitcoin. It comes to Bitcoin. Whenever you're making trades with VeChain, any damn coin in general, you're gonna have to pay attention to Bitcoin, because Matic was good in this case. If I show you Matic, it had a bullish structure, but it still got lost. Why did it get lost? Bitcoin. And I was telling people from a distance that 40% drop is gonna come for Matic, and it did. People saved that one. For VeChain as well, I was looking at Bitcoin, and then I was like, okay, Bitcoin is gonna go for 30% drop. It did. We've already have that 30% drop, and I'm still saying that potentially this is still another downtrend to go to 0.0331823. Now, I still have a little bit of faith that this could be your bottom right there. That could be your bottom. And there's a reason why for this one. And that reason is going to be that you also have a swing high right there. So let's see where the prices go to. And is it going to stop at the 0.382? I'm going to update this in the future. Are we going to lose the 0.382? We're going to talk about this one as well. If we do get more bearish patterns, even at the 0.382, I'm going to let you know about it as soon as possible, because that's what I do on the channel, right? So that's it for today's VeChain update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.